Sometimes when you are working on your PC computer, you need to take a screenshot of some information or some data, even a document. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can take the screenshot on your PC computer in two ways. Number one, in order to take the screenshot of your Windows PC computer, all you need to do is to press the Windows logo, then you press Shift and the S on your keyboard using the keyboard shortcut. Wherever you want to take the screenshot, you just mark the area like this, as you can see. So mark the area and the screenshot is going to be taken. As you can see, this is the screenshot that I've taken right now. So you can click on it in order to do some modifications. So there are a lot of things I can do with this screenshot that I've just taken right now. If I wanted to annotate this area or any of the section, maybe I wanted to highlight this section right now, so I can use the ballpoint pen in order to do that. So you just feel free to choose any one and any of the color you like. As you can see, it has been annotated. So, or I can also use this highlighter to do that. So you just feel free to select any one you like. So also, if you think you don't need to do that again, you can click on this eraser, then or even you can click on this drop down so that you can erase all markups. As you can see, the whole annotation is gone. Number two, for the sake of this video, I'm going to assume that I wanted to take the screenshot of this section alone. So in order to do it using the second method, now all you need to do is to come to this search bar, then you type in Snipping Tool, or you can easily type in snip. All you need to do is to click on open. Then you can easily click on new in order to mark the area where you want to take the screenshot. Let's take, for instance, I wanted to take the screenshot of this section alone. So I'm going to select the area where I want to take the screenshot. So for instance, maybe this section alone. As you can see, this is the screenshot that I've just taken. For instance, if I wanted to save it as well, you can click on this save icon. Then you select the location where you want to save it. For instance, if I want to save it on desktop, I can click on save, then select the location, then click on save. Or you can rename it as well if you like. So now it's done saving. So now let's go to the desktop and access it. Now this is the screenshot that has just been taken. So all you need to do, if you want to open it, you can simply right click, then you click on open, then you open it with photos. This is the screenshot. So that is how you can take the screenshot of anything on your Windows PC computer. If you really enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that each time I upload awesome content like this, you'll be the first person to be updated. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.